Today, we're breaking down the key differences between PayPal business and personal accounts. Let's get straight to it. First up, the business account. This is tailored for companies, freelancers, or anyone needing advanced features. It allows you to accept payments from customers, send invoices, and track sales easily. You can also add multiple users, set up shipping options, and access detailed transactions report. Perfect for growing your operations. And importantly, with a business account, you can get a PayPal card to withdraw funds instantly, ideal for managing business cash flow. Now, the personal account. This one's simple, great for online shopping, gift sending, or personal use. It doesn't allow you to accept payments as a seller or create invoices, but it's free to send or receive money for personal reasons, with no extra setup needed. One thing to note, personal accounts have fewer features and some limitations if you want to sell or do business. So, business account is for sale, invoices, tracking, and accepting payments, and personal account is best for shopping, sending, or receiving money personally. Choosing the right one depends on your needs, whether you're running a business or just making personal transactions.